What's up, chat? I was just listening to some Superstar. Let me do some work, chat. I'm late. No problem. I'm low key. For now, let's just get some work done. I just got another order on Fiverr. So again, chat, like I said, it's all part of the process. A bit less time in YouTube these days, a bit more time into Fiverr, but it's paying off. And very soon it's a workation. And then we get to combine it somehow. Alright, I've got one client running this. What's up, Ritesh? How you doing, man? It's a slow stream today. I got another Fiverr project. I just wanted to come online to say hi to you guys, but in the meantime, I've been working non-stop 24 hours for real. We've got a workation starting on the 30th of June, but up until then, work. Oh, Ritesh, I didn't even get time to see it, to be really honest. I didn't even get time to watch it. Who won? Please tell me Portugal won. Please tell me Ronaldo did the Sui a couple of times. Please, Ritesh, tell me they won. A draw. What's good, Jacob? What was the physical work, Jacob? Man's tired on this side of the planet as well. Man's got vibe code in eyes. Worst play ever, teammate does not support our goal. That's crazy. That's crazy. They don't want Ronaldo to shine in his last World Cup. That's crazy. Ronaldo not scoring. Not letting Ronaldo score is like... What is it like, chat? I think you told me one time, Jacob, you into construction, right? Oh no, you're building your house. What's up, PR? Late night stream, homie, just in and out. Wanted to say hi to the gang, doing some work at the back. Doing 3 client projects. Got a new client project, chat, on Fiverr. So that's all going good. I'm sorry I'm a bit... These days are late and a bit short to stream. Nice, Jacob. Go get it, man. Send him right back. How you doing, PR? How's work and shit? How's real life? I should ask it like that way. How's real life? Nice. Busy, or are you guys going into summer holiday? Is that a thing? Or is it still busy? Took some go-kart riding. Oh, nice, man. You be on that Max Verstappen vibe, PR. Nice. Brother from the United States. Go get it, man. Those US clients are the best clients, Jacob. They know that. They speak that dollar. Oh, easy. I just seen it, man. And the stock price went up from Take-Two as well. I literally just seen it on my phone. I just woke up from a nap and I seen Take-Two jumped up by 10% or some shit. And I was gonna get that stock, chat, but I missed it. Let me check the GTA pre-order, chat. Damn, chat, get ready for that pre-order. It's finally here, chat. You think it's real? It's coming, chat. Pre-order. Damn, man, I'm gonna have to get a PlayStation, chat. I already know it. I'm gonna have to get a PlayStation, I can already tell. Don't get that heart attack, man. Do that work first, Jacob. Get that order in. Let me know if I can help you. Just send it to me. Nah, you should be good, Jacob. If I need you to help with reply, let me know. Usually you've got about an hour to 2 hours, Jacob. Alright, let me read it. Hi, Jacob. Yeah, that's good, Jacob. I don't have a lot to add to that. Let's see what he says. I'm curious. And if anything, it's at least an organic message that you got to reply to. So that's points in the bank, man. That's points in the bank, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, it's not crazy, Jacob. It's putting in the work. It's growing. It's grinding slowly, slowly. That's Fiverr, chat. Like, I'm blessed with Fiverr. Like, I'm expecting a lot of funds on Fiverr the coming weeks just because I've been putting so much work in it. I'm trying to get the most work done before I leave to Thailand, to Bangkok, chat. Nah, you've already stopped, Jacob. The last time you were hating on Fiverr was like 2 weeks ago. Alright, as long as he doesn't ask you to take your pants down or send feet pics, Jacob, you're good. No, you just tell him, I can work with you, let me know what's up. He might be looking for a design partner in crime, Jacob. He might want to enhance his technical skills with design, you never know. I usually say every client request is a potential order, man. And if not, it's at least a chat rate in Fiverr. Nice, Jacob. Keep pushing it, man. Tomorrow it's Freelance Friday. Let me open my Fiverr, then you guys will see. I've got an order coming in a few seconds. Man, Man, ever since I've been Fiverr top rated chat for these days, man, I really notice a big change in Fiverr. I'm not gonna lie, look at that top rated badge, man, it's so sexy. Damn chat, it feels like some badge, you know what I mean? Like, it is an achievement. I've worked hard for that over the last 3 years, I'm not gonna lie. How does it look on my order? Look at that chat, top rated, 1 order in queue. Sorry chat, I'd be on that spitting wave again, man. I'd be on that spitting wave. Nah, the top G is the top G, man. You know who the top G is. The top G is the top G, chat, not me. I'm just a dude that knows vibe coding, chat. You know the vibes, man. I don't say his name too much because he's a bit, you know, but I feel you, man. That should be normal. I will double check what your gigs are on Friday. Normally you should be around, if you can get like 50 to 100 a week, then you should be good. So you look at it on a week basis and not on a day basis. Some days are slower than most, like on Friday, it's probably a slower day than on a Monday. Damn chat, that slime. Alright, then we'll see on Friday. It should be good, man. Then I would say to you, just let it roll. The fact that already one US client found you is mean you're in the funnel. I had a great pizza pepperoni today, chat. With double pepperoni and parmesan, but I forgot to put the parmesan on it. But shit, that shit was amazing. That's a long title, I can say already. Be your vibe coding expert. I already know that title is too long, Jacob. So I don't even have to look to know it's too long. Nice, Jacob. We're on the same pepperoni wave. I wouldn't make it that long. I would put the brand names in your gig description and just put, I will be your vibe coding expert. I will vibe code your website. I will vibe code your app. I will vibe code your idea. Those are better titles. Hunter did a whole Fiverr update stream today. Chat, how's the pizza in Iceland, by the way, Jacob? They know how to make pizza out there? Nice. Poland got better pizza. Sorry, chat. The gas got me tripping. Oh, chat, on a positive note, the YouTube play button has left to Belgium. I'm wondering if I should ship the play button out here, chat. Or should I leave it in Belgium? You tell him to do it for you, Jacob. That gets you more sale. You tell him I will be available anytime. I work project base. If I can help you with anything, let me know. You'll find a lot of guys like this. We have one guy in the chat that's like this. His name is Solid. And he's got a few orders on Fiverr. But he basically sells. And he just lets other people build it. And he takes a smaller profit. But at least he knows how to manage it. And he makes some money, if you know what I mean. Yeah, call is always good. Let me check something, chat. I'm also working, so you know. I'm doing 3 clients, chat, at the same time, so just let me get those done. What's up, Forts? I'm sorry my clapping up doesn't work today. Please try to update the order details email so that the user or admin can actually see what products were ordered. List it as my screenshot example, but make it all a bit nicer if possible with images and all that good stuff. And then make sure I can also send me a, when you're done, send me a test email on my email. How you doing, Forts? Young blood. I've got one thing to do, chat. Give me a moment. Tomorrow I got one client call, so when that's done, that will be good. And we can focus on some work in the weekend. Pop. Chat, I'm also thinking about optimizing my streaming hours. So I might be changing my streaming schedule soon, chat. But I won't confirm anything yet. I'll see soon. There's two issues in the production live environment. You can see the notes that I will paste from clients, but basically the admin has been checking. There was a coupon code used, but in the system it's showing 0 times used, but it was clearly used. And then the second part is just a random user did an order today. She remembered the name, she went to the user in the backend and it says order 0, but the user clearly has an order. Can you double check that? Be very careful with the live data, but normally based on any data that we have right now in the production database, you should be able to get those numbers backfilled and correct setup. You can see in the screenshot exactly what I mean. What's up, Glass Art? What's up, homie? Slow stream, doing some work, mainly Fiverr work. But that being said, we're on schedule with everything, feeling good about it. A bit more busy in Fiverr this week, glass art, and that causes me to miss a few streams. And I wish I didn't have to miss those streams, but right now, sometime I just gotta stream a bit later then. Then I don't miss them, but I just later, you know what I mean? There is easier solutions, glass art, because I was speaking with Hunter and he told me, did you see the share feature where you can share your project with a client's Replit? So if you've built it completely in Replit and you've got a client, they just set up a Replit, you just invite them, they can remix that project, and then all you've got to do is set the environment secrets. I don't know if that makes sense. So in your top left corner, you got the invite. In your top right corner, when you open the project in Replit, you'll have your top right corner invite. You can send them the invite, and then normally when they open it in their platform, they can hit remix. What client did you build glass art? What kind of website did you make? Chat, I'm also going to reorganize my entire Claude setup. I learned something important today on how to run multiple agents and not have them conflict with each other. And basically, I think it's based on setting up different session folders. And then creating a Claude MD file for each session. Damn, that weed has got me coughing today, chat. It is really good weed though. Alright, everything's going good. After these two clients, I'm just gonna do one client, add some new features into it, and then we should be good for today's stream, chat. Nothing too crazy, just building it up. We still got some work on our campaign that I wanted to organize, so we'll probably have a call about that tomorrow with my nephew, and then we'll take it from there. Come on, publish it. Man, I'm publishing upside down, left and right, chat. Let me grab an indica, chat. Let me grab an indica. Galactic blue, chat. Let's see. Galactic blue. All right, let me check the emails. Pull and publish. Does it matter how big of the size creators can upload their video? Is it unlimited? Can they upload to 500 megabytes? What's allowed? Damn, chat. It's day 85 and I'm still in love with vibe coding, chat. It's unbelievable, man. I feel like a superhero every time I'm running these agents, chat. I ain't gonna lie, man. And this time, by the end of the month when I leave to Bangkok, I want to have everything optimized so that I can get everything focused on the mobile. And that I can set everything as remote agent, dispatch agents and stuff like that. I'm sorry, Jacob. I hope he didn't ask for any feet pics of you. It might just be a poser as well. What we call in the business, Jacob, a poser is somebody that wants to start a web design business but basically doesn't know a lot about it and is just posing and wastes a lot of your time. Unfortunately, you got to get past 5 posers to get to a real client, if you know what I mean. You got to do 5 frocks before you get to the prince or princess, you know what I mean? That doesn't mean anything, Jacob. Now you're just sounding racialist. That doesn't mean anything, eh? Quite hard to communicate. Nah, don't do that, Jacob. You tell him. If it was hard to understand him, nah. Well, you tell him. You can tell him on Fiverr. Please keep all communication on Fiverr. And if you have any work, I am down to work project base, and we can always agree a commission. You don't even have to put that last part in it. Don't go off the platform. It might be what they call a mystery shopper as well, Jacob. Fiverr hires people in the world to do mystery shopping, and they test which Fiverr sellers are real, which ones are fake, which ones are stealing money, which ones are leaving the platform. Don't be, I tell you, don't go off platform. That's my #1 trust. I want to set it to 500 megabyte. I think that's more reasonable, as the creators will be uploading videos of 1 to 2, 3 minutes, campaign videos and stuff. Can we do that? Or what would be the max that we could do? What up, Andre? I would clap it up for you, but I ain't got my sound effects for a day, man. It's been busy at the office type vibe. Wow, Jacob, I would say just send him a message. Say thanks for your call. If you need me, right now I'm only available on work on Fiverr. And call it a day, Jacob, and move on. Because that sounds all sketchy shit, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie. What's poppin', Andre? What you up to, man? How's work? Ah, that's good, man. I'm on the same wave, Andre. I was feeling a bit bad because I'm missing putting a bit of energy in the stream. So you guys know, mid-May until mid-June, I've been pushing YouTube really hard. That explains exponential growth. Now I've been falling back a week or two that I've been streaming less, and I've been focusing on Fiverr. And now I just became top rated on Fiverr, chat, by the way. I don't know if I told you guys, but it feels amazing. I've been getting orders in. I'm going to get one more order in today. And I got some more cash coming in today. So it really shows, man. If I put my focus in one thing, it costs the other thing a bit of let's say, results. But all good. I'm still coming to YouTube every day. Oh, nice, Jacob. Send that in the Discord group, man. We'll keep that private type shit. You sound like a spy, Jacob. You sound like a spy, chat. Chat, I've been randomly vlogging now. I've been picking up the camera every day that I bought, and I've been trying to see how I'm gonna create content for you guys in a manner that isn't corny, because I'm not the vlogger guy, you know what I mean? I'm not the vlogger type guy, but I want to make it as real and as valuable as possible. So trust me when I tell you, within the next 2 weeks, when Fiverr calms down, then I'll be putting again full time for a month into YouTube, and then we can run it up again. What's up, Born to the Beat? Buenos dias. Oh no, is that Spanish? How do I say hi in Spanish, chat? Damn, man. Olare. I'll just say olare. Olare, amigo. You know the vibes. Born, I believe I seen you go online, but I didn't see you go online because I didn't see a camera or some stuff. And then I had to leave instantly, so I wasn't able to check it. But I did see that you went online, and I checked real quick for a moment. But I didn't see you on it. I had a few tips though for you. So let's see if we can get you organized. You tell him you can do 30%, Jacob. You just tell him you charge him 1,000 and he can ask to his client whatever he wants. So he can even do times 2x and he can get 100% profit. But you just tell him my price is my price and that's it. Nah, I feel you, Roberto. It's hard at the start, man. It's hard at the start, but look at the homie Hunter, like, chat, I'm telling you, I'm reviewing it with him every day, but sometimes it's just about starting and waiting for that moment when it hits, because you can see when he started, he had almost only 100, 200 views, and then at a certain time, it went to 2k views, 2k views, 2k views, and now he's down again, but he keeps pushing. So, keep putting in the first days, Roberto. And my number one advice to you is document, don't create. And that's basically what I'm doing here. Document, don't create. Alright, man. I was gonna say, don't worry too much because in the beginning, nobody's really watching. So you can just start and doing your stuff. So once you get into it, just document, don't create. And you can create once you get to a further stage, like what I'm going to do now, traveling and creating content and vlogs and blogs or whatever. Yeah, exactly, Roberto. Keep it up, man. I'm gonna check in on your stream for sure. Nice, man. I'm happy I can motivate and get people to go behind it because it really is possible, chat. I feel you, Roberto. Just tell him, please, Randy, understand. I can do any work that you need me to do, but all work gets billed through Fiverr. It's the only way to work for me. Tell him that, Jacob. Because if Fiverr is checking you, that's going to give you plus. That's going to make Fiverr very happy. Well, Roberto, one thing that I learned, Roberto, is I used to be the same. I used to do like 10 meetings before I signed a client. But now I try to speak to a client once and then I try to create them a demo that kind of embodies them and shows them that I understand what needs to happen better than them, and that's why they're paying me. Those clients where you have to do meeting and meeting and meeting and you're basically just talking and not getting paid, I tell you, man, try to push that to a demo where you show them, listen, this is what you're going to get. You either work with me or not work with me, but to have coffee every single day, that's not my job. I would really make it clear to those kind of guys. And I get those clients all the time, Born. They come to me and they say, hey, I want you to make this, but you don't know the industry and you don't understand, for example, if it's a pet grooming service. And then I'll say, listen, man, I've got AI, I've got 20 years of experience. Trust me, I can get it done. That's what you're paying me for. I'm here to make your life easier, not harder. Loki, I think he might be Fiverr spy. Who knows, man? It's a mystery shopper. They call that a mystery shopper. Google it, Jacob. That's a real thing, man. For sure, Jacob. Step by step, man. We got time. Slow gets us to the goal. We got 8 months, chat. I was feeling pressured myself this week as well. I've got a lot of work going on, a lot of projects. I've got some real life shit that I got to deal with. I got to plan the workation that's coming up in the next 15 days. I've got to try and figure out ways to create value on the stream and on the videos I'm making. And if I want to take this influencer streamer thing to the next level, I got to plan that out, man. It's really busy, man. That being said, as long as we know what needs to happen, chat, we can do it in a timely fashion. Yeah, but don't waste too many times in sitting and having meetings talking about the same thing. Roberto, you know what I mean, man. Those people that don't understand web design but talk about websites like they've built 1,000. You know, nip it in the butt, get them a demo and tell them to pay. Money in. That's our #1 priority type shit. Money in. You know the vibes, man. I used to deal with those clients, Roberto. I used to work in Belgium. We used to go to 15 meetings for a client, sit in a room with like 5 people on a meeting table, and take notes and do things, and nothing would happen. Boom. I make websites now faster. I generate content for my clients using AI. Well, I try to flip that around, Andre. Every single time I try to flip that around. I was recently talking with another construction client, and he was giving me that treatment, and I said to him, it's all about having the right people in the right place. I can build websites in my sleep, but ask me to build a house and I wouldn't know where to start putting down the first brick. And the moment I say that, they pretty much understand that they don't understand what I'm doing without me telling them to their face that they're kind of dumb if they talk about certain tech stuff. Let me check something and then I can move on to another project, chat. So here I shouldn't... On that final note, did I need to pull and republish anything, or are we good to go? You learned that, Jacob, and the best movie to watch that while learning, Jacob, is The Wolf of Wall Street. Basically, the way that guy sells and closes, that's the way you should close any project in the real world. That's literally how you should close every project in the real world. You write back to him, Jacob. You tell him, please don't misunderstand me. I can do a million kinds of things on the internet and when it comes to coding and design. But for my billing and for keeping my project management, I use Fiverr, and I will stay in Fiverr as that has brought me nothing but success. You can send then a closer. Please let me know if you've got any projects that are concrete and I will get you a fair price. Thank you. And then he'll start understanding it. Alright, this client is done, so I can archive that. I'm gonna close this for a second. I'm gonna close this and log out. I'm gonna open this Replit. I think this one's done as well. And then I can publish it and sync it. But just to clarify, this project is not a landing page. It's a custom software solution designed to automate the generation to the... No, I understand you, Roberto. But I'm telling you, man, even if a client comes to me to build a website for a nuclear installation, I'll treat it the same as a landing page. I'll just make sure I get paid. And as soon as I get paid, I'll figure it out. I know every single type of client you can put in the book, Jacob. I'm not lying, man. I started when I was I started when I was 17 years old with cold prospection. Walking into shops, giving people cold calling, doing emails. I'm telling you, man. And depending on the size of the project, Born, only thing that goes up is my price, not my meeting time. Nah, as long as you enjoy learning it, Jacob, you'll get... If you enjoy it and you understand that you're never selling something, Jacob, you are just showing the people that you are competent. When I talk to people, I'm not selling. I'm just showing them that I am very competent at what I do. Don't talk to me about other stuff. Don't talk to me about painting. Don't talk to me about horse riding. Don't talk to me about making ice cream. But if you're talking to me about web design, web strategy and digital stories, that's my jam. That's all I do 24 hours, chat. It's actually a problem that it causes a problem in my social life, let's say, because I don't talk about anything else but the business, the vision, and where we are going with this business. What I've been working on 25 years. You know what I mean, chat? So yeah, that's cost some social connections over time, but that's part of the game, chat. Well, that's because you love something so much, Jacob. And you should listen to your dad. And at the same time, you should talk about nothing else but what you love. GTA, Fiverr. And then you should both talk about to each other what you love. And then it's all good. Every rejection I take is a win, man. Every single time, Roberto, we learn every single time, man. I'm 40 years old. Honestly, I'm still learning every single day. No cap, man. No cap. Okay, this project is done for now. Let me republish that once. For sure, Jacob, Fiverr will push you, but I'm telling you, don't just focus on Fiverr as a sole thing. That should be your main thing, but you should have tons of side hustles on it on the side. Go to people, start reaching out to businesses, work on your Instagram, everything that you're doing, just keep up that energy, Jacob. You're gonna get there for sure, man. Exactly, Roberto, it's a numbers game. That would probably get you banned instantly, Jacob. Probably not instantly, but it will get your account flagged. Okay, so I think we are good to go with this project. Can you just make me one more time a final list of the things I have to do before we officially go live? I have a demo call with the client tomorrow, so I want to make sure everything's good and all that stuff. I'm just gonna check one more thing, chat. Give me a minute. I'm gonna close. I'll leave this open. Well, if you know paid meta, you could potentially do a job for me, Jacob. I need to learn about meta, and I don't know. I'm now, chat. I was thinking to myself, I have a lot of things to learn because I was talking with Jacob like Instagram, Meta, Facebook. And I was thinking I'm probably going to start learning in 2 weeks when I start traveling. And I'm probably just gonna do it on stream, chat, so that I can learn with you guys. Like, I'm gonna have to start using other platforms to scale out. But that's all good, man. We got a plan. So I'm excited for the plan. Right now, we're exactly on plan, chat. I sometimes get a bit panicky. And let me actually write a message to my nephew. Alright, we just got a new order, chat. You'll see it here. One order right now in the queue. Let me refresh. Ah, did he not yet start it? Alright, refresh. Boom, chat. 2 orders in the queue. We're running it up. What an amazing thing. I will get that done a couple of few days. Well, I've been working really hard, Jacob. I think you can see it because I've been streaming less and my YouTube has been feeling it. I've been seeing that I haven't been growing over the past few days as I was growing before. Because now I just shifted my attention a bit to Fiverr. It's been paying off on Fiverr, that's for sure. But now I'm going to shift it again back to YouTube as I'm going to do the work on stream mostly. Nah, that's amazing, chat. I've got one more little client to do here in a few moments. And that's just adding a few new features on it. That's all good. I'm just waiting for a few things to complete. Alright, this is all good. I'll check that page in a few. Meta is a great platform, but you have to be very careful because their policies are strict and they can get you banned accounts. Alright, I don't understand it at all, Roberto, so I wouldn't know. That's above my pay grade, but I really want to learn it. And I probably will start learning it on stream, because if I don't learn it and if I don't do it for myself, no one's going to do it for me. You know what I mean? And that's it with everything that we want in life. We got to start chasing that shit. You know the vibes, Jacob. Chat, I'm doing a little publish on this side, so I'm going to give it 2 minutes. But while I'm doing that, I'm going to take a little stretcher. How long has it been? Oh, an hour. I've been streaming for an hour, chat. I'm going to take a little stretcher. I'll be right back. You guys don't forget to do the same. Take a stretcher, smoke a cigarette. What's up, Calm? I'm sorry, Calm. My sound effects are down. But I'm working to get them back up. And I'm fixing... I'm going to have Claude actually help me with Elgato soon. But welcome to the stream, Calm. What you up to, man? You been working? What's popping? I'm just about to take a stretcher though, so I'll be back in 2 minutes. You know how it goes, chat. Alright, that's published. Close that. Go to the next one. That one is also done. I'll publish it one more time. That's good. And then this one is close. Alright, chat, be right back. Welcome to the stream, Calm. Alright, round 2, chat. Round 2, let's put the lit in Replit, chat. Sorry, what message was that, Glass Art? Yo, Jacob, why are you deleting messages like that? Now you're gonna have to retype it. Glass Art is an OG, man. Glass Art is like VIP in the chat. When you go to a club in GTA 6, you've got like a corner area in the bar. That's where Glass Art is standing. You can't delete messages like that. You are on that VIP, man. You came in here as Chunky Monster, aka Glass Art. I was instantly blown away by the glass art that I seen you made. That one page, you remember? I used to do your web shop. It's good, but I don't think you need... I will vibe code your idea into a working app. Into a working app is complete. I will vibe code any idea into a working app. But play around with it, Jacob. Change it every week or so. Optimize it. Man, I still gotta book tickets. I gotta book hotels. But let's first put the lit in Replit, chat. And then see what this client needs. I'm just doing it because I like this client. Hey, chill, Jacob, chill. Jacob, don't be diddying it up in here, man. I haven't got my Diddy sound effect today, so shame on you. Chill, homie. I ain't even gonna let you sleep in the same hotel building as me when you typing up like that. What's up, Johnny? Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream, man. Hit the like button, guys. Thank you, Johnny, for reminding me. And right now, we're gonna put the lit in Replit, chat. I'm stealing that one from Andre, man. Andre, the marketing OG. You know what I mean. Let's get to work. I've got a bunch of things to do here for this client. Just a few updates I want to do for them. Added features and stuff. So let's just go to the client chat and see what exactly he needs. Alright, let me scroll back 2 days. On production, my client as an admin tried to delete an agent account, but we got the following error you can see in screenshot. What I want to do here is, if we do delete an agent account, then basically just the user should be deleted, but all the items linked to it, like properties, messages, whatever, should be transferred over to the admin doing the deleting of that particular agent. Does that make sense? I'm gonna run it on Pro for a few minutes and we'll take it from here. Alright, Jacob. What's going on here? We're just doing some... Oh, yeah, that was Jacob, man. He was tripping out on a Thursday night, PR. He was tripping out on a Thursday night, man. He just got too comfortable all of a sudden. Johnny, you free Diddy or not? Are you on that free Diddy wave or not? Damn, Johnny. You ain't on that free Diddy wave. Wow, me neither. Me neither, chat. I'll say me neither. I'm not on that Diddy wave, chat. I wish I had my soundboard right now, chat. Ain't no party like a Diddy party, chat. That's all I can think of right now. Ain't no party like a Diddy party, chat. Alright, let him just work. I actually wanted to make a document here. I want to get organized. And the first thing to do to get organized is obviously create a document. Alright, so planning July 2026 until how many days are there in August? Let me look. Pre-season planning, chat. Let's write out the different businesses we have. So we have the app Fiverr. Top rated seller account. Alright, what else do we got? We got the YouTube. I've all these things I've got to do, chat. Oh, we got a busy 2 weeks coming up just to get prepared for a workation. Damn, chat. Come on, you're taking way too long, man. Start building. Oh, that's weird. I just got age gated on one of my videos. Why would I have gotten age gated, chat? Man, someone playing again? I didn't do anything that's illegal, right? Chat, did I say or do anything? Man, that's weird as hell. I'll appeal it, chat. Only got age set 18 plus. I don't know what I did here. I didn't share anything on stream inappropriate. Please review. My channel is an educational channel where I teach vibe coding and online business, like running a web agency, taking care of web design clients and stuff like that. Did I say? Oh, chat, we were probably talking about Mr. D. Nah, that's crazy, chat. That's crazy, chat. It's probably because we mentioned the Mr. D. Nah, Mr. D, you know, the baby oil thingy. That Mr. D. Damn, chat, that's crazy, man. AI is tight. I appealed it, chat. Let's see what they do. I appealed it. Let's see. Do you think it might have been during the Upwork live stream with that guest who showed those beach and bikini websites? No. It was just on this video. So that video was no problem. It was just on this video, and it's not even a video. I'm live streaming, so I don't know why I would get age gated. Let me check something, chat. Can you also just confirm when we hit delete on the agent list that we first get a pop-up to confirm the deletion? And let's make sure that anything we want to delete from the backend, we always get that pop-up and we always have to confirm. And then maybe for the agent, it shows what data will be transferred to the admin in that pop-up. Well, I'm happy about YouTube chat because I'm getting the silver play button. It's on the way. It's being sent to my nephew's place. And I'm incredibly proud of that achievement. Nah, 1 million's enough for me, mad boy. Welcome to the stream, homie. I wish I had my clapping sound for you, but I don't. My soundboard messed up, but welcome to the stream, homie. How you doing, mad boy? You still mad? Or you chilling? Nice, keep it that way then. That keeps you on point. That keeps you nice and sharp. Basically now with the new settings, it should take you to the profile, the My Agent profile page. And if there's no My Agent profile made under the admin account, then it should just take it to the My Agent profile view. You understand what we're trying to achieve here and not to settings? Thank you. Let's see what other bugs are here. Okay, so that's fixed. We are testing the external agent login. Can we remove the search fields for the external agents in case they mess up a thing? All right. What's good, Ian? It's been a while indeed. Been busy. Sorry about that. Like I was just saying to the chat, I had to focus on Fiverr a bit so you can see the orders are going up. I just became top rated on Fiverr. I was very happy for that. That was a huge achievement for me personally. I hope you're doing good, Ian. You've been working as well? Also, during submitting a project, a property as a agent, I don't think it's needed that the agent can assign agents, so you can remove that tab and just keep it for the admin and staff. Give me a second, chat. I'll be right there. Just doing some bug work. Also, for the agent, when adding a property, the commission and contact box seem to be missing for them. Please add that so the agent can also add that information. Thank you. See in screenshot what I mean. I keep missing the lives because I used to watch after work, but I always catch up with the videos. Nice, 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 nice. No problem, man. I know how real life goes sometimes. And I've been streaming later as well, Ian. Like I said, I'm just getting ready for the 30th of June. Then my little workation starts and I get to start on a whole creative journey and focus on that. I'm going to Bangkok, mad boy. I'm going to be vibe coding in Bangkok. That'll be my title of a couple of videos. Plus, mad boy, on the 30th of June, I'll start creating different kind of content as well. I might be getting into the vlog thing or creating actual videos. I got a little camera and shit. Yes, I'll be streaming, Ian. I'll be streaming out of my XR headset. I've got my glasses to go on the road, so I'll have my full screen set up, but just in glasses. And you guys will see me on screen with the glasses, obviously. But I'll be streaming out of Bangkok for sure. Work doesn't stop. I don't know about timings and everything. Because I've got family over as well. So I'll be spending some time with them, but I'll definitely be working. One of my big ambitions to get done by the 30th is to get mobile fully optimized so that I can start vibe coding and using the AI agents just from a mobile phone. We've got things like Dispatch and Manus Mobile and all those things, so I'm gonna be looking into that over the next few days on stream to pick the best, let's say, vibe coding on the move setup. Let me see what the client has here. Publish is good. Wondering. Yeah, the glasses are pretty sick. I've been using them mostly now in bed just to get used to it. But I'm already pretty used to it. I kind of miss it now that I'm working on a regular desktop. Can we make it so that when an agent sends a message to staff that they get to choose what agent they want to send it to? I think that might be more easier. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen the 30th. I'm excited. Vibe coding on the move. All right, let me see, how's he doing? Is he still burning? Okay, that's good. Hi, we have an issue now when we are sharing properties through WhatsApp or social media that it's always reverting to a hard-coded default of demo content. Now I really want it to take content of whatever page we are sending, or if we are sending a property, it should show the content of the page directly. I don't want to see that hard-coded content anymore because that was all demo and fake content. Please sort this and let me know where I can resubmit the link so that social media picks it up. Perhaps we can put it somewhere discreetly on the contact page and on the FAQ page, and maybe very discreetly a little text on the login page or register page. Sorry, on the register page. Six tasks in the pipeline, let him run it. What's up, Chris? Welcome to the stream, Chris. Sorry, my clapping soundboard isn't working today. I'm just doing work right now focusing on client work. We just got another order on Fiverr. We became top rated this week. And yeah, in the meantime, planning in the back of my mind for what we got planned in starting July 1st. Yeah, lots of things going on, man. Just doing it in the background. Let's say less of streaming vibes, more working vibes today. But that's going back to the basics with what we started to do 85 days ago. And that's basically just doing my work and streaming it while I'm doing it. And once this is done, then I've only got one more message in my inbox. I can run the 2 projects over the weekend. Monday we should be good with them. And then some other things I have to catch up on. You all good, Chris? What you up to, man? You working? Building your own projects? What you up to? Alright, let's just let it run the bugs, man. Not much more we can do. Let him run here. That is good for now. No, I'm excited, chat. I'm excited to get on the road. Get some new scenery. I am having issues finding a good hotel though, chat. Something up to my standards, but you know how it goes. You know how it goes. Wow, we've got a few options. We've got a few options. I'll do that tomorrow. Come on, start building. He's got 5 more to go, chat. Damn, man. Your ass better get building. Seeing as it's calm, chat, I'm gonna have another stretcher while he's doing those 5 tasks. Like, there's not a whole lot more I can do but let him work, you know what I mean? Oh, chat. It's good to be alive, chat. It's good to be alive. Alright, be right back. Take another stretch. It's been another 40 minutes, so that's fair enough, chat. Damn, Bone, and it felt really good as well. I ain't gonna lie. It felt really good as well. I feel a lot more awake than 5 minutes ago. Alright, chat, be right back. What's up, gang? Yeah, I saw the glasses. I felt the stretch. Well, Ian, I used OBS Meet. So I used this one. And it's an amazing camera, chat. It's small. It's on a floating arm. OBS Bot Meet. I've got 2 of them. OBS Bot. 4 more to go. I'm gonna put it out there, chat. I'm waiting for YouTube to approve my monetization, so soon we will have ads, chat. I think I will start running ads just to note what Sans mentioned. It might be good to take funding from there and give it back to the community for the prizes and shit. So soon we'll be running the ads. I'll be turning that on. Do watch the ads for me, chat. Turn off that ad blocker type vibe. Turn off that ad blocker for me. Nice, Ian. How old is your boy? Very nice. How old is he? And do you mean my boy as in your homies or my boy as in your son? You know the vibes. I'm a street homie, so my boys could be boys in the hood. You gotta clarify on that. My tug is taking over. Now I'm confused. Homie here talking about OG. Homie talking about OG, chat. He said the OG infrastructure. We got OGs in the cloud, chat. We got OGs in the cloud. Oh, what a time to be alive, chat. What time is it? 4 a.m. Alright, alright. I think I got some cash coming in soon, chat, if I'm not confused. I think I got some cash coming in. Come on, send me some cash. Alright, your homie is gonna start streaming, Ian. What is he gonna start streaming? Is he gonna be playing on that Vibe Code game, or? And what country is he streaming from? If I'm not mistaken, Ian, are you from Kenya, right? I would love to have a Kenyan distribution network, man. So if you are from Kenya, tap me in with your streamer, homie. Or you'll be the manager. And let's put him on Dollar Vibe Club as well, man. Kenyan district. Yeah, Ian, if he's streaming vibe coding, let me know, man. I'm working out a deal with Roberto. And I'm gonna get Roberto activated very soon. I'm gonna put him in connection. The new version is live now of the website. So we can put it in Spanish. We can get the admin logins. But I want to do the same for Kenya, Ian. At least for the entire African continent, actually. And right now, obviously, it's as a partner, so I can't, like, there's no money being flowed in from right now. But I believe in very short term, Dollar Vibe Club will be making at least 10k a month. I had a meeting a week ago, and the guys did inspire me to look more into it. Actually, I'm going to put that on my board. Loads to do, chat. Loads to do. He's doing the Kai speed streaming. Alright, he's doing IRL. Well, Ian, if he ever taps into vibe coding, or he wants to tap into that vibe coding viewership, which is a huge viewership right now, arguably bigger than gaming, I think, and bigger than IRL, except if you're Kai or speed. But, yeah, I wouldn't know about IRL setup. I wouldn't know about that. Two more to go, chat. That's amazing. Oh man, chat, I love vibe coding. I'm not gonna lie. It makes life so easy. I've decided the coming weeks not to put any stress on myself, you know what I mean? And just to know that AI can solve 99% of my problems, to be really honest, chat. AI really can solve 99 problems, man. All right, chat. Oh, Fiverr messages, chat. Fiverr's popping, chat. I'm loving it, man. That top rated badge, I'm so proud of it. Tomorrow I should do a big party for the top rated badge. I should really do a big party. And I should see if I can give something value to you guys. Something of value to you guys. Yeah, I might do that. I might create something. I might create something for you guys, chat, and that's on me. I will limit the way you can use it because it's going to be AI, but let's see. I got an idea for you guys. One more to go, chat. One more to go. I'll work on TikTok as well. One more to go, chat. One more to go. Let's get it. I'm working on it, Johnny. You can look here. And I'll actually put it on, but I actually want to have that ready before we're done. So that's more, I'll say... this is what we've got so far, chat. So this we got so far, chat. Bring back Fable 5. How many days without Fable 5? Already 6 days, chat. 7 days almost. Then here we'll see the submissions. We'll see what people are guessing when Fable will be back. Those I've already lost, the ones on 7 days. The builder wall has to change because these are going to be all declined. It has to be your setup. I want to see your setup. Very nice. What can you win? Claude plans. Ooh, very nice. Chat, look at that. Wow. Chat, that's very nice. Wow, very impressive. Hunter did this, chat. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this, chat. Amazing. Amazing, chat. Wow. Very nice. Gonna launch it very soon, chat. Wow, I might just fine tune it tonight with Hunter or tomorrow and then launch it. This is really nice. Very nice. Bring back Fable 5, chat. I still gotta update the rules, so I can't legally release it yet. I still gotta update the rules a little bit so it's legally all in order. Right now we're too big, chat, to not do things legally in order, you know what I mean? Wow, yeah, it looks really impressive. I'm blown away. It looks very impressive. There are still some changes that I would put in for sure. Wow, these backgrounds are nice. I would put these backgrounds in the top as well. Wow. Wow, chat. Wow. Very nice. Featured setup. Wow. Very nice. Wow, this is looking very impressive, chat. I didn't even see this yet. I'm just gonna send him. Wow, very impressive. Alright, I'm gonna just do one quick client real quick. He's running. Oh, he's on his last task, chat. Let's go. Yes, yes, Ian, I'm surprised. I was surprised because I haven't seen it yet. So that's going to be good to launch officially maybe tomorrow on a Freelance Friday. It usually gets more busy. So please allow that I can delete user accounts. So please read it, translate it from Dutch to English so you understand, and then make sure that you can set it up as the client is requesting. Thank you. For now, you can use it with a photo, use a placeholder photo for now. We've got enough content in the library, and then the client can fine tune that afterwards. And maybe even add it to the CMS as zakelijk logged in or something. Let me know. Or you can keep it, the current setup that we have, and just remove the text and change the text for logged in users, you know what I mean? And then the photo just stays the photo that's there. Looks really good, chat. We're gonna launch that soon. I like this a lot, man. These frames, I'm loving it. The building wall. I'm loving the design of the video, of the liquid video, chat. The liquid video is really cool. I might even want more icons on it. I love the... Actually, this I will cut out and just keep these little ones running over it. Because once text comes on, it gets a bit... Well, this is cute. No, it is really cute, chat. It is really cute. No, let's leave it like as it is right now. The rules still have to be added in here somehow, but let's just test it. Wow, that's nice. Wow, very cool, chat. I'm gonna launch that tomorrow for sure. I think he needs a day more work. Okay, this is done. So can I see this? Can't you replace the entire form with our own custom form and then make sure it also gets sent to the admin and that it's trackable in the dashboard? I think that's the best to do. Forget that form spree. I think that's going to be safer, right? All right, let him run that. Let me go here. She's working, he's working. All right, let me just log in a second. Now it looks really good, Hunter. Take tomorrow one more day in the day, and then in the night time I'm gonna launch it on Freelance Friday. I'm just planning the lesson for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna build something on stream, chat, and I might build an agent for you guys that you can use in Dollar Vibe Club, but I'll need you, Hunter, to implement it once I've got the context. But I might just upload every successful inbox message that I had, an order that's over 500 context messages, and then you can create an agent where people can ask a one-time request. So when they get a request, they can just fill it in and our agent will tell them what to reply. And they can only use it for one reply at a time so that we don't burn too many tokens, chat. No, we're good though. We're chilling, man. I'm really happy that I've finally been able to bring myself back to a zen state of mind, chat. It's been very, very busy these days. But now I'm getting back to a point where I'm feeling zen, you know what I mean? Let's see if my video is still age gated, chat. That's crazy, man. My video is still age restricted. Probably because of that baby oil comment, chat. Please confirm that when we want to delete something on the production that we always get a pop-up. We have to fill in the delete. Confirm it also when we deleting users. And we have to type delete in all caps to confirm the deletion. If we did choose to delete a user, don't delete their orders or past orders or stuff. Keep that all in the database so that the admin can still track that. I might do Facebook as well, chat. And then I'm gonna check something, chat. I'm gonna check setup, restream, multi-streaming at the same time. Let me, while he's working, is he still working? Yeah, let me just do something. Go in here as admin, go to the users. Well, I'll let him just grind it out right now. I'm gonna take another stretcher because it's calm in the stream anyway, chat, no problem. You know the vibes. Alright, let me take a hydration, a little stretcher. Be right back, chat. BRB. Alright, chat. Oh damn man, I can't watch my own stream because that stuff age gated. He's doing the Kai and speed. Alright, chat's all good. Agent is still working. What's the other agent doing? Data doesn't seem to be loading on the development dashboard and stuff, and the users are not loading and stuff. I can't see them. Come on, agents. It's Thursday night. Tomorrow it's Friday night. It's Friday night. I'm excited for Freelance Friday, chat. It's Friday night. Let me spark up, chat, while we're waiting. That's sometimes the only thing we can do, chat. Chat, I got fake Chinese POV glasses, chat. I'll show the ones in the chat. Since it's low key. Look, chat. I got fake POV glasses so I can do a stream for you guys on POV. The video quality is pretty good. And it was pretty cheap actually this. So it was like 10 times cheaper than a Meta glasses. But the quality is pretty the same. And I got my mic, chat. I got my mic. You can change it to whatever you want on the screen. I've changed it to my profile picture. The quality is really good. W setup for once we move from the desk, chat. Damn, I hope my silver play button arrives on time in Belgium, chat. I kinda want it to bring it to Bangkok and then take a picture with it on a rooftop, chat. I'm gonna make a post on YouTube. 69 days, 100k subs. You know the vibes, 69. 69 days, 100k subs. Come on, man. Why are you working so long on a little thing? On a little formy form? How come? Oh, he's fixing the formy form, chat. Come on, come on, we're almost there. What do I got planned tomorrow? Oh yeah, one client call. I'll follow up with Hunter on the Fable 5 campaign. And follow up on some few new features. Man, you gotta love agents, chat. Hunter was talking about it today, about data import and stuff, how it was 3 months ago and how it is now. Like, it's so crazy, chat. I think the highlight of my month, damn, we had so much highlights this month, chat. We hit 100k in June and we hit the top rated, so I don't know. I would probably argue that hitting top rated was a better highlight because that means more dollars. But I can't lie, hitting 100k felt really good, chat. I was tired when I hit 100k, like my body was really physically tired from working and streaming. But it did feel really good, chat, ain't gonna lie. Another Fiverr message, let me check. I'm gonna check something. I'm still not receiving emails as an admin, staff or client when I change the status of the orders. This has to work 100% for all statuses. Please make sure an email always goes and make sure those emails are in the admin email manager. They should be there already, so double check why it's not sending out. I checked resend as well, the email is not being triggered. Let me refresh it. Nah, he be tripping, man. No, it's still not loading here. Does that mean when I publish it that it won't load on my production website as well? Because we are actually live and we cannot go down. Testing something, chat. Don't worry, it's calm in the chat, so we don't got no stress type vibe. We're just running it smoothly. Come on, man. You were working good all day. Bring that energy. Damn, man, I gotta get a fingerprint reader that's closer, chat. I switched the demo user client in dev to a wholesale client, but when I go to the front end Zakelijk page, I'm still seeing the message and the sign up button. This should not be the case because I'm already a wholesale client. Can you double check that, please? Do know I set the wholesale client via the admin rights, so I gave the user that way rights, and still as soon as it's triggered as wholesale, it shouldn't show anymore that text. It should show you've already unlocked this, welcome to the team. If you've got any questions, send us a message, and then maybe a button to the contact page or something. Alright, is he finally done? Damn, man, he's still working on that form, boy. Alright. Just checking something, chat. She sent me a screenshot. So I want to go to order 242. All right, he's working on it. All right, all these changes are done. I can't wait for that to republish. That's amazing. And then I'm gonna sync it to the Git, and then I'm gonna send the client. Oh, what's that? What's going on here? All right, that's nice that he showed it here. So everything should be updated here. That's nice. We'll check that in a few. This is, I'll check in a moment. From the previous item that we fixed, all the status emails, please send me a sample test of all the status emails that are available based on whenever an admin or staff switches the status. You can send it to. Is he published? Almost. I'm gonna have to roll my own J's in Bangkok, chat. I don't got a pre-roll guy there. Yeah, man, I better find myself a pre-roll guy. Why is that tweaking now? Well, I'm gonna close this for now. We should be good there. This is good. Still very excited that I'm a top rated seller, chat. So blessed. So blessed. Let me check the publish here. Okay, it's still running. The calendar, I've got a call tomorrow at 8 my time. That's good. Screenshot is good. I'll be able to send Isaac in a few. Archive that. Go to the next. Archive that. Wow, chat, we really are on schedule. What a time to be alive, chat. That's it, man. When I come in with a clear headed chat and I'm not stressed, I get way more done than when I'm running around with, like we say in Belgium, a chicken without a head. Nah, that's amazing, chat. We're stacking, we're building, we're shipping. Alright, he's still agenting. The agent is agenting. Chat, did you hear the news, by the way? Cursor has been bought by Elon Musk, chat. I was thinking, what could we do with Cursor? Because Elon Musk is pretty cool, right? What can we do with Cursor, chat? Man, I don't understand nothing of this. Come on, are you done? Alright, this one's published. Let me go to it. Let me double test it all working. This is sent. He's reviewing the links. Let me review the links. This look good. This log out here. I can log in here with my other client. Damn, I'm in flow state again, chat. I'm in flow state, man. I'm absolutely feeling it. Amazing. Almost done, chat, with my worky work. Stand by and prepare to connect Superbase, and we will first feature function that we will build is an actual authentication system so that people can log in, but we can keep the demo buttons for now. When you click a role, the login form gets filled in and you can hit sign in. I think we should set that up, and we will be working with Superbase. Alright, I will do item 1 and 2, but you can already verify the Pi encryption key and see. Let me know. Don't do any drastic changes right now because we're almost there and I'm ready for my call tomorrow, so. Okay, I get to go to my inbox. That message is sent to the client so I can archive. I go to the second client. I'm double checking the emails, so the emails should be working all in a few moments. And what else did I fix here? Oh yeah, that one fixed. So I'll say fixed and fixed. I've got some fruit, chat. I'll eat some fruit in a few moments. That might not be a bad idea. Alright, I'm gonna let my agent run here one more time. And then I'm gonna refresh this. Click this. Mark as read. Say archive. Keep her here. Is he still running? Yeah. Alright, chat. I'm gonna take a stretcher because it's calm on stream anyway, chat. No problem. Chill vibes. Let me have another hydration. BRB, chat. BRB. Alright, chat. I'm back. Round 3. Let's get it. Round 3. Slow day today in the chat, but a busy day today on the deck. I'll tell you that. Do I need to do anything? Alright, we'll do that tomorrow. No problem. We'll leave cursor open for a second. Can send that to the client. Let me publish it first. And then sync the Git. I'll sync that in a few moments once it's published, and then I'm gonna call it a night, I think. Then I'm actually caught up with everything, chat. Let me just check. I received all the emails, so I'll take a screenshot of that. That's amazing. We're so on schedule. And now I just gotta come up with a good show for tomorrow. Andre, make sure your account's ready tomorrow. Freelance Friday type vibe. You know the vibes. We're coming in hot. What time is it out there in South Africa, Andre? What time is it in South Africa? Oh, you're still on the early AM vibes. Damn, man. You ahead. You got time on me, man. Well, you're living in the past, but Back to the future, let's say. If I were to go on your time zone, it's Back to the Future, chat. All right, well, let me give you a bunch, man. 6, 11, 19, 22. I'm fucking with you, man. I only gave you 4, so you'll never be able to finish it. You'll never be able to finish it, Andre. All right, the app is published. I can send the client. I can archive that, incredible. And then I got one. Okay, so everybody's sent, chat. Wow, my Fiverr's under control. I'm top rated. I got a basic planning what we need to do. I would probably put here. I need that schedule going. Topics. Alright, that's all for tomorrow. Next is hopefully a paid Fiverr ambassador. I could do with a couple of bandos a month. I love Fiverr, so that would be just a cherry on top, you know what I mean? Freelance Friday is a vibe for sure. This is published. That's incredible, man. I feel so caught up with everything, chat. I feel like I can breathe again. Don't get me wrong, I still got a lot of work to do. Shouldn't we do that then as a throwback Thursday? We'll do it as a throwback Thursday. Isn't that what they say on the internet? And then we still got Monday. We got Money Monday. So we talk business. We got Trap Tuesday. That's where we show you trap life. By all means, you have to get it done. By all means. There's no giving up. And what else we got? Woo Wednesday. That's for now. And then we'll always put a topic behind it, what we do. So Trap Tuesday is business on the ground without capital. Money moves. Agency level business talks. Throwback Thursday. Back in the days. We got Woo Wednesday, we got Saturday Sesh. That is always a chill, smoking, brainstorming, creative. And then we got Sunday. We call it Sunday school. Get ready for the coming week religiously. I mean religiously by getting focused, getting on it like a maniac. But I might use another word. But thanks for the idea, Andre. And we'll see if we can optimize them as we go. We'll see if we can optimize it as we go. And maybe a gaming session every Sunday. If I can time that with Hunter, I can game with him. If I can time that with Hunter, we can do community game sessions. So we'll figure that out. I think I'm on track. Everything's in it that I wanted to have in it. Oh yeah, I'm talking with Replit soon, but I'll just put in collab follow-ups. Stream partners. Alright, I gotta follow that up. And actually, I want to do something here. I should do this here. All right, we'll get on that. And then I want to have Hunter look at something. All right. Let me check. We're in 3 hours. So I'll let it run those last few minutes. And then we should be good for this stream. This agent should be good for tomorrow. I'll put him on screen after. And then I'll work on the... I can actually maybe do it now. Can you create me a completely new thumbnail for the upcoming Freelance Friday tomorrow? And I think we want to go for a red and light energy vibe. Don't forget, keep me in small body, big head, baby style kinda. Keep it funny. Render my first thumbnail. I'm not gonna lie, watching Hunter today definitely inspires me to get working more in OpenAI, because I do use OpenAI for thumbnails, chat. As you can see, I've been using it since the couple of weeks. So I do like the quality of output. I'm not gonna lie, the output quality is really good. But my next 2 weeks, I want to get fully autonomous, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna make it here. No, I will never stop my sub to OpenAI, because they were the first. And I remember getting my first OpenAI subscription for like $20. And literally, I was in Belgium when I got my first subscription. I was in Belgium for, I believe, during the Christmas period, and I was a bit bored. And I was coding, and I had so much Fiverr work back then. And then I got OpenAI, chat, and it blew my mind, man. It literally blew my mind. And I'll never give up on OpenAI. I'll keep contributing to it just because I want to see what they're releasing. And I'm actually looking at getting Codex set up on the mobile. Alright. Let me change some things. This is pretty good. I would like this one. Only I would like to change the words where Fiverr appears in Fiverr green. So also the little badge icon can be in green. And then I'll schedule the stream for tomorrow already. So I'll just go to... But I don't know what the topic will be. Well, it's going to be Freelance Friday, but I don't know what we're going to Freelance Friday about. You know what I mean? But I'll schedule it already now. Schedule stream. Hunter, if you're still watching, I would advise you to start scheduling your streams. And if you don't know how, I can show you tomorrow. But definitely start scheduling your streams moving forward. I think that's an important one. And do it at least 5 hours before you go live. You'll see the value of it once you do it. I haven't been scheduling my streams and I see the negative value of it. So trust me. I'm going to reuse the settings. I'm going to say day 86, Freelance Friday. And what should the topic be, chat? Freelance Friday, turn vibe coding into a paid skill. Freelance Friday, how to Fiverr for noobs, turn vibe coding into a business. That's all good. I'll leave the current. Alright, I'll download this one already. I like this. And then I'm gonna say, I'm just going through it quick, chat. Okay, can you generate me one more thumbnail for the same topic? But this time I need a more serious thumbnail, less flashy. Maybe a close-up of a baby, small shoulders but a big head and a serious face. And I don't know, maybe some money in the glasses or something. Do something but keep it more serious, more business related. I need this so that I can A/B test. I always say the A/B test, chat, so it knows to give me an absolute, complete different kind of thing. Alright, so tomorrow vibe coding. We got all the things. Alright, I'll put this first thumbnail in it. Let's see how he does on the second one, if that one's better or not. And otherwise, I'm going to take this one. OpenAI, really good for thumbnails. Can't really... Do you still have your agency or full send on Fiverr? No, we still have the agency in the background, Andre. And that's why I want to get it going with Hunter. So he's been working on the Yip Labs. And my agency is called Yip XYZ. And now the idea is to eventually merge them and have Yip Labs as a parent company that manages all the brands. Tommy Yip XYZ, Hunter Yip Labs, all that. But we're working on that. But Fiverr is right now the front runner when it comes to money in. And actually money in is the only thing that matters in business. And money in makes it a real business. So I would argue that Fiverr is more of a business than Yip XYZ. But at the same time, we just got 100k subs on Yip XYZ. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Damn, that just got cooler. I'm going to put this one as the main image. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm going to put this one as the main image and let's see. I think that's going to bang more. Alright, I need one more. The previous one was amazing, but I need one more. Completely different setup again for my A/B testing. And this time I want you to combine. The title will be Turn Vibe Coding into a Paid Skill. So if you can get the vibe coding vibe into it, maybe me at a laptop or multiple laptops or multiple screen setups behind me. Something that matches my energy and vibe coding. And feel free to drop in all the logos from the big brands like Claude, OpenAI, Replit. Yeah, that's for once we really grow, Andre. Once we really grow and start making millions on a recurring basis, then you need to get organized for taxes and all that shit. But that's problems that you can solve with money. And I recently heard a quote, chat, from Chinese. And it means any problem that you can solve with money is not a problem. You know what I mean? And taxes we're going to take care of all as we go. You know the vibes. But that's the way I'm looking at life moving forward. I heard it 2 days ago or a day ago, chat. Yesterday I was a bit annoyed. I had a busy day, a lot of clients on my nuts. We weren't able to launch the Fable and stuff, so I let it get to me. Exactly, Andre. You're able to rewrite new ones, man. Bend them and rewrite new ones. No cap. Such an incredible tool to have, chat. That's it, man. Be so rich you're able to do anything you want, but always stay humble and respect the people that aren't at that stage yet. And that's it, man. But be so rich that you can literally, like, I literally do what I want in live chat. Like, my life is really chill. And I'm blessed and I feel like I should do more. And now that I've got this YouTube game, I'm planning to get more active and do more things. Alright, turn vibe coding into a page skill. Yeah, that could be a good topic, chat. That could be a good topic. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Well, I'll use this as an ABC. I'm gonna keep this one. I like this one way more. This one's gangster, chat. Alright, so let me post the live. Let me schedule it. Next. Next. Public, and then we'll put it public Friday night. So that will be the 20th. Is that Friday? Yeah, Saturday, and then 12 a.m. I'll go live 12 a.m. Should I go live 12 a.m. or earlier, chat? Let me see my schedule. I could go live. Let me think. I could go live tomorrow. Earlier. For sure, Andre. For sure, man. And I'd probably say let's hook up in meetup. Not hook up, sorry, chat. That's Jacob putting ideas in my head. Let's meet up in Bangkok first and actually get a vibe code villa. So everybody chips in for their vibe code villa. And then if I have the channel, we can stream it all, chat. No hookups, Andre. My apologies, homie. My apologies. Shit, man, I wish I had my soundboard here right now. Oh, I just got a brief on stream, chat. I might be able to open that for you guys. Website development for car and real estate. Ooh, sexy. Let me see if I can fade it out. Wow, that's an amazing briefing, chat. Wow. Let me screenshot it for you guys. Wow. Chat, look at this. I'm going to send him an offer right now. Look at this. I'm going to open the brief and I'm going to send him an offer right now. Let me first type. Hi, my name is Tommy. I've got over 20 years of experience with WordPress websites. And recently, using AI, it allows me to add way more features in than before with a solo dev team. I also just recently became a top rated seller on Fiverr, so please do check my reviews. Thank you. I have no questions right now. Just give me a moment and I will follow up with a custom quote plan and we can take it from there. Alright, chat. Let's run it, chat. 10k a day, right? 10k a day, right? I'll show this on stream tomorrow, chat. I should make this on stream with you guys tomorrow, man. Develop a WordPress website for selling cars, houses and land. Set up a payment gateways for transaction. G-Wagon for the OGs. Tommy Shelby G-Wagon. Now, should I do this tomorrow? Yeah, I'll do this tomorrow on stream. Please allow me for a day of time. I will send you a full offer tomorrow, including a demo actually as well. Thank you. Alright, I'll do this tomorrow on stream, chat. This is the one tomorrow. Let me go back to the stream, and I'm gonna stream earlier, chat. Now, should I stream 12 or earlier? Let me think. Yeah, I'm gonna tell everybody to bring their notebooks. That's a good one, Andre. I'm gonna drop that in the Discord. I'm gonna tell everybody. Oh, I might create a notebook system with Hunter in the Dollar Vibe Club, so everybody gets their own notebook. I'm gonna send it to Hunter right now on Discord. Yo, I'm just sending here. Also sending a message here. I was talking with Andre. We want to have a notebook system into the Dollar Vibe Club of the students, so that when I'm doing Freelance Friday, people will be able to get slides and do notebooks. Think about it. Talk with the agent how you can get it sorted, and come to me with ideas, please. Maybe even try to set something up already so people can use it tomorrow. I don't know, just an idea, but we'll talk about it tomorrow. Bless. Okay, so we do that 10K one tomorrow. I'm posting the stream now. I'm just thinking, what time should I go live? I've got a client call at 8, so I'll probably be done with that client call at 9 or 10. So perhaps I could go live at 11. Or keep it fresh and go live at 12. Let me take a moment to think. Let me take a moment in time to think, chat. Well, I don't know what time 12 PM is in your region, but I'm thinking 12 AM my region. But that being said, I'll just go for a quick stretcher. And right now I'm gonna leave this on screen so you guys see what is possible. I'm a kinda cut off, or I kinda wanna crop out, or I'll just put it like this so people don't get too much of a leak. But nothing's being leaked here, because I really want this client. This is easy money, chat. 10K. Alright, I'll leave it like that so you guys see what's going on. 7 PM, so that should be 12 AM my time. So 7 PM, I think 12 PM. Yeah, 12 AM should be 7 PM your time. So actually 12 AM might be good. Let me think, chat. I'm gonna take a stretcher. I'm gonna have this sippy. The sun is coming up. Alright chat, I'm back. I'm excited to see a video of Hunter. I was thinking also soon for Claude X WordPress because I want to get into that myself. Chat, right now I'm going to schedule it at 12 AM. But the time could change tomorrow with an hour earlier. So we'll see. But I'm just going to schedule it at 12 AM. Actually, let me schedule it at 12:30 AM, chat. And I'll see tomorrow if I can play with the timings depending on the value, how much work I've got on the board. No, I'll do 12 AM. I'll do 12 AM. Okay, so public. That's live. Let me see if it goes live. Alright, I guess it still has to be loaded up. Alright, chat, be sure to click this. Go notify yourself. Type a W. Alright, I think we're on schedule with everything that's in it. We're in it to win it, chat. W's. Alright, 17 hours, chat. 17 hours and we'll be back. I've got a busy day today to follow up all the work that people have sent me for today. So, busy day tomorrow, but other than that, we're completely on schedule. I've got some cheeky money coming in after, so I'll send the screenshot and then update the price in the title. But I'll do it once the money hits. And yeah, that was it. W stream chat, those who were here, you know who you are. I know who you are. Let me go to the Streamlabs. Alright chat, you know the vibes. Peace on the streets, no fucking fighting, and keep vibe coding. See you tomorrow, chat.